What is unique in today's world compared to all the times in humanity? What is unique in today's world? There are a few very unique points. Uniqueness number one, we live in a world which is connected all the time. Uniqueness number two, change is happening much faster than anybody can master. Uniqueness number three, people are not going to offices to work anymore. We can work staying at home. And uniqueness number four, we live in a very, very distracted world. As we stay at home, we don't have peer pressure of who's observing us. And therefore, it gives us the license to be distracted. As we stay connected all the time, what I'm doing on my laptop, my phone is next to me, my iPhone can also buzz every now and then, and all of them are connected with each other. The moment somebody posts something tagging me on Instagram or Facebook or LinkedIn, I immediately get a pop-up on my screen, an email comes, and that notification comes. Oh my God, there are so many distractions. And then I'm a part of Netflix, I'm a part of Amazon Prime. So any new series, any new episode, and it always nudges me and says, hello, why don't you come and watch me? Why don't you come and watch me? Oh, I live in a distracted world. How do I save myself? From where did this question come? How do I save myself? We were just speaking about distraction, right? Well, if I live in a distracted world, I will never be able to perform at my peak. And if I don't perform at my peak, I will not live up to my potential and I will not be able to fulfill all my dreams. That is why that question, that how do I save myself in today's distracted world? Well, I can give you a very complicated answer. I can tell you, here are 10 things that you can do to save yourself when you are getting distracted. Throw some psychological mumbo jumbo at your end, impress with you with a few psychological terminologies and cite some reports. But I'm not going to do all that. I'm going to keep it extremely simple. Extremely simple. Break down your days into small chunks of time. Let's say half an hour, let's say 1 hour. Minimum of half an hour, maximum of 1 hour. And in that time, just remove all the sources of distraction from your life. Which means if I'm shooting this video and I'm shooting it on a camera, my phone should be on airplane mode. My laptop should not be functioning. It should not be open next to me. My watch should also be on the airplane mode. I am cutting off all sources of distraction. Now, when I cut off all sources of distraction, my ability to stay focused becomes very high. If I allow the notifications to be on, did you just hear that? That will keep coming and distracting me. So a very simple, profound, deep, practical, proven way to stay focused and stay away from distraction is cut off the sources of distraction which is coming to you through technology, and you will be able to focus brilliantly well. In less than 15 seconds, you can conquer distraction. All you need to do is take your phone, put it on airplane, take your watch, put it on airplane, take your laptop, put it on airplane. Don't think about FOMO, fear of missing out. In 1 hour, when you take a break, you can go back to the notifications. But for that 30-second or 1 hour block that you created, switch off anything and everything that distracts you. It is as simple as that.